We're here at Willowbank Raceway, west of Brisbane, to suspension test our vehicle in standard form, before it goes to our good friends at Fulcrum for further enhancement. We're going to run the car through a variety of tests to test its cornering, braking, road holding, dynamic steering and evasive lane changing. We've set the tyre pressures at 34 psi, the fuel tank is full, the car has been weighed, and we're using a G-Tech Performance accelerometer that's going to record all the data for further analysis. Let's see how she goes.
No, seriously, this is hard work and no enjoyment was had in the making of this video. For each test, the G-Tech Pro accelerometer had to be calibrated and aligned to ensure standardised results that could be compared for future vehicle upgrades and against previous cars tested. Already suspension test data has been captured for a VE Commodore SV6, Subaru Impreza STI and Ford Falcon XR6. A slalom test highlighted the 86's potential. The car is very good on turn-in, direct point and shoot straight from the box. There is some body roll, but this is hidden by the low centre of gravity. The car's position is very adjustable on the throttle. This is all on standard tyres and suspension. I can't wait to see where we can take this car.
As a suspension engineer, I like to use this small handling test that we have set up, as it's a great way in a short, small area to be able to analyse a vehicle's handling characteristics. There are 2 slaloms and 2 constant radius corners, and both through the accelerometer and my perspective, we can analyse the car, and then as enhancements are made, we can use the same test to give back-to-back comparison and collect data. Let's see how the standard setup goes.
Through this test, the car was very balanced. Where many cars understeered, the 86 was neutral and easily coaxed into power oversteer on exit. The lower centre of gravity meant it could handle higher corner speeds, and the driver did not need to lift from the throttle, reducing lift-off oversteer tendencies. In standard form, its average lap time was 18.2 seconds, where larger Australian-built rear-wheel drives were up to 1 second slower, and even a standard STI was half a second behind. Similarly, the lane change showed typical forward pitch for standard spring rates, but less tendency for yaw, thanks again to the low centre of gravity. This car really takes some time to get used to. It's a different animal and it has great composure. So, with OEM testing complete and accelerometer data saved, our 86 is now off to Fulcrum suspensions for Super Pro roll control sway bars to be fitted.